Welcome to my channel, Easy One. So in this video, I want to talk about a new Telegram bot which is paying massively to its users. And this particular Telegram bot is a Naira Telegram wallet bot. So once how this bot works that you just complete some tasks, and once you complete the task, you earn free Naira from this particular Telegram bot. So this particular Telegram bot is paying massively, and also I'm going to show you guys proof that this Telegram bot is paying massive to its users. So all what you need to do to get started is to follow the link in the description of this video. So after opening the bot, this is how the interface of the bot will look like. So all you know what you need to do is to click on start. So after clicking on where it says start, it will show you a pop-up interface that looks like this. So this is the pop-up interface that will be showing to you. So all you need to do is to read the instruction given to you there. You can see this is a make money on Naira world, a comprehensive guide. So you just click read all the instruction given to you. You can see that the claiming bonus is every 7 days. So the bonus which you earn from this bot can be claimed every 7 days. So what you need to do to get this bonus is to stay active on all the tasks and channels and also the Naira community. So you need to participate in their community and their tasks, and also you need to do some referrals. So after doing all those things, all you need to do is to click on join on their community. So you need to join their community for you to get more insight about this Telegram bot. So after joining their community, all you need to do is to join their second channel. Then after clicking on joining their second channel, you'll be given free 1000 Naira for joining their channel. And what you need to do after getting this 1000 Naira is to click on where it says tax. So click on where it says tax. So after clicking on where it says tax, they'll be giving a task to you for you to complete. So what you need to do is to complete the task. After completing the task, you'll be given free 500 Naira from each task which you complete. So you can see this is my reward balance for the task which I just completed. So you can see this is my balance 15. So you can see that the withdrawal amount of money is always withdraw every 7 days, like every Saturday. So once Saturday reach, I can be able to claim this my amount of money showing on the screen. And also I've completed some tasks also. You can see that I need the task for today. You can see that I've joined their channel. Like the task which they asked me to do is to join their channel, and you can see that I have been rewarded with 500 Naira. So you can see that if I click on where it says tax, there are no tasks given to me. So these tasks are always given every day. So once you complete the task for today, you come the next day and complete the second task. So this is what you'll be doing continuously to earn from this Telegram bot. So what you need to do is that to earn more passive from this Telegram bot is that you need to do some referrals. At least they say the minimum referrals is 10. You can see that you have to at least have at least 10 referrals. So once you have these 10 referrals, you can able to withdraw your money, and for every person which you invite to this Telegram bot, you'll be giving 500 Naira to this Telegram bot. So once you bring anyone to this Telegram bot, you'll be giving 500 Naira, and this particular money can be withdrawn to your local bank account. And also remember, I say I'm going to show you guys proof that this bot is paying massively. So as you can see, this is the proof of the payment which they pay to each users for those who receive their money from this particular Telegram bot. So you can see the payment proof of people receiving their money from this particular Telegram bot. You can see this is the withdrawal proof of the payment proof to those who are participating in this bot. So all what you need to do to receive this money is that you need to first of all complete the tasks given to you every day. You must be active on those tasks given to you. So you must be active on the task for you to be eligible for the withdrawal. Also, you need to invite at least 10 persons to this bot. So once you reach this, meet this required threshold, you can able to withdraw your money ASAP. So before you can withdraw your money from this Telegram bot, all you need to do is to insert your bank details. So all you need to do is to click on where it says bank details. So once you click on bank details, you need to insert all your bank details to this Telegram bot so that you can able to receive your payment. So let's go ahead and join the bank details. So you can see that I just completed a task and the task was completed successfully. So let's wait. You can see that I just earned 300 now for just completing that task. So let's go ahead and insert our bank details. So to insert your bank details, you can see the instruction given to you there. So you can see that you need to add your bank, your account number, your account name, and you also please note that this account will be used for withdrawals. So once you insert the details given to you here, so you can set up your bank account. And once you set your bank account, once you want to withdraw your money from this particular bot, just click on where it says withdraw funds. So once you click on withdraw funds, they'll be giving you the details on how you can withdraw your funds. You can see that mine I can't withdraw because I haven't meet the required threshold. You can see that they say I need to at least have like 10 referrals for me to withdraw. So there's no amount, even though you have about 200,000, 100,000, 300,000, 1,000, 5,000. Once you meet this required threshold of inviting at least 10 friends, you can be able to withdraw your money. And remember, I said that for every friend you each invite to this Telegram bot, you'll be giving free 500 naira. So once you meet this required threshold, you can request for withdrawal. And once you withdraw your money, the money will be sent to you to your bank account ASAP without any, so you don't need to invest anything to this particular Telegram bot. So I advise you guys join this bot as soon as possible because this kind of bot doesn't last long. So you just need to join this bot as soon as possible. So now we've come to the end of this video. So if you find this video more interesting and helpful to you, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.